is going to be a little interesting. Were you able to verify this or not yet?
No, but I trust her. It's a New Jersey driver. I hope to God that's not true. Although I've always said Uber is a cab company with an app. So there you go. You take this one.
Well, you sent me this one earlier, and you're like, "Can you believe this shit?" And you're like, "Do you want to do that?" I'm like, "Look, hey,
This is
if
from
it's
the app, bro.
the
She
thing
wouldn't lie
is,
to me. I'm telling you, I
yeah,
trust
well,
her
here's the
100%.
thing. Hold on. If it's not if it's verified or not, it doesn't matter. This is where the conversation comes about. This is where the potential risks that we can go over and talk about that.
What
So
the
this
fuck?
is request a ride for someone else. Help them get where they need to go. They'll see the trip info in the Uber app or in a text. That's not really an issue. And this is something that's
That's
been
fine.
around actually for a while. You open up the Uber app. At the top, you can say select rider, and
Yeah,
then it will ask you for your contact list, and then you can select the person there. So
yeah,
then, they know that it's for somebody else. Nobody
yeah.
really does that, unfortunately. So drivers are stuck without really knowing what's going on. But here, where it's circled in red, it says you can pay for the trip in the app. That's fine. Cool. Or they can pay the driver in cash.
What the fuck?
Now,
Oh,
if this is
man.
true or not, or if this is something that's coming in the pipeline or not, this is still warranting of a good conversation. And that's why I told Sergio, I'm like, let's put this in, let's get this in for today's
I
show.
got it late
Uh,
last night, and I've been in touch with her from the first day of Show Me the Money. She's a wonderful lady in Jersey. There's no reason to. She don't have the time to Photoshop this or do Adobe, whatever the fuck it is you have to do. She says, "Serge,
Jesus,
this
I
just showed
completely
up in
agree.
my app. Is this true?" I go, "I don't know. How do I know?"
But either
Yeah,
way, first off, if you're watching currently live, or
yeah,
if you're watching on the replay,
yeah.
put in the comments or the live chat,
B, come on, B.
what
You know
do
who
you
you are.
think about taking rides in cash? And give me
No.
some of your thoughts on that one. For me, first off, I would say hell to the effing no. I don't do cash, and there's a reason why. One, it was built to be frictionless. That meant cashless. That meant you ordered the ride and you paid for the ride as it was completed. Perfectly fine. I got paid. I didn't have to worry about it. It's not like a cab driver who was worrying about having to get paid and people jumping out the car window or opening the door at a red light or whatever it might be. Uh, you know, this is something where they're opening it up for something like that. Again, this is in a New York City suburb, so this is in Jersey, just outside of New York City. And then on top of that, you're now carrying cash around. So one, how much cash do you have to have on hand in order to be able to, give people cash back if they want any? I would say I don't carry cash on me. So what you're paying me is what I'm getting, including tip. So deal with that. With that. And then on the other side, who gives a shit because they're not going to rate you because they're not the ones who ordered.
Yeah.
But then, this
Ah,
is a big problem on safety because one, yeah, you could be carrying cash, so
yeah.
things like people trying to rob you could go up, especially if they know that you're carrying cash or anything like that. On top of the carjackings, on top of the other crap, everything else. But then the other thing is, what about the people who have been kicked off platform or cannot be on platform because of safety issues or whatever it may have been?
Yeah.
And now
That's
all of
the
a
guy
sudden,
that
hey,
comes
guess
in
what?
with the cash.
Yeah.
I'm like, how's this
Uh,
possible? Everybody's in shock. Okay, look, if this shows up in your
yeah.
app, then it will confirm everything. I 100% trust this driver. She is she is not one of these shyster drivers that I know that are out there. She says, Serge, do you know anything about this? I was like, huh? Cash? No, I don't know anything about it, but I'll put it up. So now
Yeah.
this
Give
this
us
is
a 111 if you say no way to cash, and a
yeah.
333 if you say, yeah, maybe I'll try it. Why not?
Dave, the Uber
So
slave, said
put
I'll
that in
take
the
the
chat.
cash.
Let
I'm
us
going
know.
like shit. Yeah, no cash.
Yeah, that
Yeah,
actually
yeah,
raises another point. How would Uber make any money off of that?
yeah, I don't know. No,
They
I
they
mean,
would probably they would charge you their service fee for that particular ride, and then all of a sudden, oh, no.
111s. What was 111? No cash?
111 is, no to cash.
Okay,
and
no cash.
333 is
You
you
know,
can
you know,
take
you know, a
cash.
lot of these
We're getting a bunch of new
UPS
ones.
drivers and FedEx, or these guys, they say driver carries no cash. We need to buy one of those stickers and put it on my window. Driver carries no cash. I'm like, there you go. Dave, the Uber slave, says he'll take the cash. I go, Dave, you're a better man than me. I have no cash.
Yep.
Screw
I
that.
mean, look,
Uber and
cash is king.
true.
Tips and cash are the best. But when it comes down to cash paying for rides, get that money up front or don't take that ride at all.
Malcolm actually has a good point. Uber in Mexico does that. They take cash. So I'm like, hey, we're not in Mexico. So anyway, yeah. So this is something new. If you guys see this, please send me the screenshot. Sergio at the RideShareGuy.com, so we can confirm that this is happening.
All right, thanks for watching. That short little clip was from our live stream, Show Me the Money Club with Sergio and myself, Tuesdays, 6 p.m. Eastern, 3 p.m. Pacific. Make sure you subscribe, turn on all notifications so you'll be notified when we go live, as well as all of our awesome content. Make sure to check out this video right here, which will take you to the entire live stream, or check out this video right there. All right, drive smart, everyone.